teacher has a container of paper clips and will randomly select one from the container. The container contains the following colored paper clips: 8 pink, 14 purple, 12 yellow, and 16 blue. Which of these statements is true? Let's break down the probability first, and whenever you have probability, you have to know what you're starting with. What is the total number we're working with? So let's add these up. Let's just drop it into a quick table, and you can do this real quickly on just a piece of paper. We have 8 pink, 14 purple, 12 yellow, and 16 blue. Some simple addition. We add those up. We have 50 total paper clips. And we're going to need that to form our fractions to be able to compare it to our answer choices. So let's look, now that we have 50, at A. The probability of selecting a purple paperclip is 3/4, and the probability of selecting a paperclip that is not purple is 1/4. So if we set these up, we know purple is 14 over 50 based on our table, and then we have to set that up. The probability of selecting a paperclip is 3/4. So if we set this up in a proportion, we should be able to have some equality here. Now if we look at that, you can see that that's not equal, because the value, if we're going to divide, 14 divided by a value is 3, and 50 divided by some value is 4. Those are not going to be balanced, and that's not going to work. So let's look at B. The probability of selecting a purple paperclip is 1/4. Now we're going to do the same thing, only we're going to put 1/4 in there, because this question, all it did was just flip how it was stating it. So 1/4 is 14 over 50, 1/4. In this case, no, this one doesn't work either. So let's go to C. The probability of selecting a paperclip is 18 over 25. So we're looking at a purple paperclip. So it's 14 over 50 equal to 18 over 25. If we look at 50 to 25, we divide by 2. But 14 divided by 2 is 7, not 18. So C doesn't work. So it looks like D is going to be our answer choice, but let's break it down real quick. The probability of selecting a purple paperclip is 7/25. Now we're going to set that equal to, and if you look at that, 14 to 7, you could take 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. So that does make it equal. So there's our answer. Which statement is true? The probability of selecting a purple paperclip is 7/25, and the probability of selecting a paperclip that is not purple is 18/25.